The wizard's haunt. Are they just naming things the same, or I don't know. Okay, so you've gained entry to the wizard's hidden hideout, but you've heard rumors of a gateway to a secret chamber in a parallel dimension. Okay.
Novisty.
Move to who? What's your name? You. I guess it's you. Alright, so we gotta move to her. Or the wizard, whatever it is. Get secret? Oh, okay, so we're gonna move to her, get a secret number from her. Boom. Looks like that's where the coordinates are. Relax. Or is it you? It's you. So we're gonna move to 1820. Find this person. Get the secret. And then we're going to divide Sophia's number by 4 to get Mahila's number. And we're gonna move to... What are your names? Is it you? Because I'm not sure. Like, what? Where is 3015 at? This is 4220. Let's update that first of all. And you're gonna say, hey, me. And then we're going to divide Mealy's number by 5 to get Beta's number. Alright. So let's just make this variable that person's name. And we're gonna take me number and divide it by 5. Okay. And then we're gonna move to Sandor. And you, which I'm assuming you're Sandor. 3837. And then based off of all these calculations, we're gonna say what should be Sandor's number. So we're gonna move to Sophia. Get the secret number. We're gonna move over here and then say their name. Moved, say hit. I feel like he's the him. Maybe we're supposed to move up there. What is it? 38, 37. Be nice if they gave us names. This is 4220. Let's see if that is what it is.
What a ting!
Huh? Why did it... What happened? Oh, there's another person here. I didn't even see you. I'm so sorry. Okay, so that's where the 3015 came in. Because I'm like... Who is 3015? Put some name tags by these people. Okay, so we go to you. What are we doing? We move to 1820. We get the number. We move to this person. We get the number. Uh-huh. We go to... Okay. And we get the number. We missed moving to somebody. I'm out. So we go here. Here. That's you. Hey, Angie, what's happening? How's everything going for you? I miss your face. And how are you liking your new job? You start your job tomorrow? Yay! Congratulations. I know you're excited. Yes, yes, we gotta catch up for sure.
What a ting!
56 divided by 4.
What a ting!
That's not the number. We messed up. Let's start this over because clearly I can't read directions. All right, so we go to... Absolutely, thanks for dropping in. I will text you soon. Okay, so we move to Sophia. We find the nearest friend, we get the secret number. Boom. Whatever this number is, we're gonna divide it by 4. So this person, it says we move to them, divide by 4. Pick the number, divide by 4, move to them and say, hey, person. Okay. This is also where we messed up. We didn't say their number. We're gonna say Beata, whatever your name is. All right. So we go here. And we need to... What? So we need to create a variable Sandor. And whatever this person's number is, we need to subtract it by... What? Oh, we're subtracting this number from that number, and then we say Sandor. Now let's do it, because we had it all jacked up.
What a ting!
12.
What a ting!
2.4.
What a ting!
9.6. Thank you, visitor, because he was blowing me up at first. Oh. Always read the